everyone. Welcome to SAPS, Somalwar Academy of Professional Studies. Today we are discussing model answer for science paper of series 1. These model answers are framed just as a guidance to students. They may not be exactly as per the board rules or directions. These model answers are framed to the best of our knowledge, experience. However, there may be few errors which should be ignored. Now, students, in this before discussing this model answer, let's discuss the paper pattern. In this science paper, there are total 36 questions which are divided into 4 sections A, B, C, and D. Now, in section A, there are question numbers from 1 to 20. All questions are 1 mark questions, and some multiple choice questions are there, which we can call called as a case studies, very short answer, and assertion reason type questions also. Now in section B, 2 mark questions are there, 21 to 26, 27 to 33 are 3 mark question, and in section D, 34 to 36 are 5 marks question. No overall choice, but there will be some internal choices for some questions. Okay. Now let's start. In section A, first question, what is the significance between the following reactions? Sorry, not significance, extremely sorry. What is the difference between the following two reactions? Now, magnesium plus twice HCl gives MgCl2 plus H2, and NaOH plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2. So the simple first reaction is of displacement reaction, and second reaction is a double displacement reaction, or we can consider this reaction is between acid and base. So simple with the help of type of reaction, we can differentiate between these two reactions. Optional question was the carbonate of a metal X is a white solid. It decomposes when heated to form a carbon dioxide and yellow solid oxide. What is the metal X? Obviously, that metal is a lead, and a metal carbonate is a lead carbonate. Now, in second question, it was asked that concentrated acid accidentally spills over the hand of student. What should we do? Okay, so simple remedial methods are necessary here, that we should apply plenty of water, and we should apply the paste of baking soda. Baking soda is a mild base. We should not use concentrated base because of corrosive action. Okay. Now in question number 3, electron transfer. Many students have written directly a reaction, but that is not expected. The expected is the transfer of electrons, because in clearly question it is clearly mentioned that electron transfer in the formation of MgCl2. So we have to show the transfer of electrons there. Why does the sun appear white at noon? So clearly here we have to use the concept of scattering of light, and sun appears white as only a little of blue and violet colors are scattered. So the main concept is of what? Scattering of light, and that is the expected one. Okay. Now in question number 5, on what factors the magnification of a magnifying glass depends? So the magnification is nothing but h dash upon h, which is nothing but a height of image upon height of object, or image distance upon object distance. So we can write 4 factors there: object distance, image distance, height of image, and height of object. Okay. Now refractive index question, diamond refractive index of diamond 2.42 and glass 1.52. How much faster does the light travel in the glass, lead, and diamond? So we have to compare the velocities, velocity of light in glass and diamond. So simple, refractive indices are given, and refractive index is inversely proportional to the speed of light. So if we calculate it, it should be 1.59. So we can say light travels in glass 1.59 times faster than in diamond. 2 decimal point आ गए यहाँ पे, so just ignore one. It should be 1.59 times faster in diamond. Now, optional question was, what is the minimum distance between an object and its real image formed by a convex lens? Okay, so whenever we talk about convex lens and whenever we have to obtain a real image, okay, so minimum distance should be 4f. Minimum distance should be 4f when an object placed at one of the two centers of curvature, means 2f1 and 2f2. So if we put an object at 2f1, we will get an image at 2f2, and that is the real image, and of same size. So the minimum distance is what? 4f. And question number 7, coil 1 is primary coil, coil 2 is a secondary coil actually, and we have to write the observations of galvanometer. So the observations are like when a key is pressed, the current flows through coil 1, and due to the presence of current in coil 1, the magnetic field is induced in coil 2. Okay, that is the main concept. And current in coil 1 induces magnetic field in coil 1 as well. Because of this magnetic field, potential difference is changed for coil 2, and due to that change in potential difference, we can observe a presence of current there. So the galvanometer is used to detect the presence of electric current. So here we have to write the observation related to the deflection. Okay, deflection. And deflection of galvanometer is only required there. ठीक है, बाकी एक्सप्लेनेशन की जरूरत नहीं है, बट डिफ्लेक्शन लिखना जरूरी है. Now in question number 8, draw a magnetic field line. So that is very easy question, that is also given in your NCERT textbook, and this is a very simple figure. But the current direction, supply of current is very important. बहुत सारे students ने यहाँ पे circuit नहीं बनाया है, so the marks are deducted. Okay, so the supply is very much important. With the help of supply and the direction only, you can show the direction through the straight conductor, direction of current through the straight conductor. Okay, so the direction is important. Now question number 9, two unequal resistances are connected in parallel. If you are not provided with any other parameters, what can be said about the voltage drop across the two resistors? Obviously two resistors are connected in parallel, so we can say the potential drop across the two resistors will be same. Okay. Now in second question, work done when the potential difference is V and the charge is Q. So for simple definition, work done is equal to Q into V. That is expected only. 1 mark question. Now chemosynthetic mode of nutrition is different from photosynthetic mode in which way? In which way? So we have to put one difference only. So in chemosynthetic mode of nutrition, an organism utilizes chemical energy, and in photosynthetic we have to use sun energy, that is light energy. Why do small and single-celled organisms such as amoeba not require any respiratory pigment? The simple answer is because the volume of their body is so small that oxygen can be introduced quickly into the whole body by the process of diffusion only. And that is the simple answer and only expected answer. Walls of ventricles are thicker than the walls of atria. That is was optional question. So here we can say that ventricles have to pump blood into various organs with a high pressure. So the walls are thicker. That is a general point. Now in question number 10, when does the pollen tube develop in a flower? So obviously pollination is the concept, and that is the only expected answer. So pollen grains absorb water, nutrients, produces a tube like pollen tube, and result of a stimulation be chemicals released by the ovary. So that is the expected answer. Pollination, ये word आना चाहिए वहाँ पे. That is a keyword you can say. And pollen grains fall over the stigma. That is also important. Second one, write one negative effect of affluent lifestyle of few people of a society on the environment. यहाँ पे आंसर वेरी हो सकता है. Students can write answer depending on their thinking and depending on their perception. So affluent people use a resource recklessly, which leads to the depletion and the generation of excess waste. ठीक है, बहुत सारे reasons possible हो सकते हैं, and you have to write only one there. Now in question number 13, what do you mean by emulsification of fat? Large fat globules are broken down into small, uniformly distributed fat particles by the action of bile juice, and this is called as the emulsification of fat. That is the only definition. Now assertion reason type question. Assertions: C3H8 and C4H10 are successive members of homologous series, and reason any two successive members in homologous series differ in their molecular formula by CH3 unit. So this reason is false, but assertion is true. Okay, so C is the correct option. So actually in this reason they are differ by molecular formula CH2, not a CH3. तो अगर CH2 होता तो हम correct लिखते उसको, right? Now in assertions, question number 15, refraction of white light through prism gives rise to dispersion, and reason both the refractive surface of glass slab are parallel to each other, but the refracting surface of prism are inclined to an angle called angle of prism. So both are true, but this is not a proper reason. Okay, so that's why B is the correct option. And as you see in question number 16, there are two questions. One is sex of child will be determined by the chromosomes received from the father. A human male has one X and one Y chromosome. So for this, the correct option is A. And for second optional, raw materials needed for photosynthesis are carbon dioxide, water, and minerals. And nutrients provide energy to organism. Reason. So B is the correct. Both are correct, but that is not the proper reason. In question number 17 to 20, again 5 subparts are there. These are type case study type questions, and you are expected to answer any 4 subparts in this. Okay. So again, just like 5 sub questions, and we have to answer for 4. Energy in the case of higher plants and animals is obtained by tissue respiration. The graph, it is related to the graph. Graph below represents the blood lactic acid concentration of an athlete during a race of 400 meter. Shows a peak at point D. Now, lactic acid production has occurred in the athlete while running in the 400-meter race. Which of the following process explains this event? Anaerobic respiration. Simple answer. Now, in question number 3, plot A and plot B, again a graph related question. Your correct answer is B, that is plot A is for aerobic, plot B is for anaerobic, and justification. B is the correct option. 9.4 characteristic processes observed in anaerobic respiration are presence of oxygen release. These are the 4 options, and the correct option is C, that is second, third, and fourth only. So release of carbon dioxide, release of energy, and release of lactic acid. And again, tabular based question. A is the correct option, that is location, aerobic cytoplasm, and anaerobic mitochondria. So A is the correct. Now in question number 8, again some information is given related to metallic character and non-metallic character, and a graph is also given here. Now supporting answers, questions, which of the following correctly represents the decreasing order of metallic character of alkali metals plotted in a graph? So C is the correct option. Cs is greater than, Rb is greater than, K is greater than, Na is greater than Li. So all are metals, and here we have to comment on metallic character. So C is the correct option. Hydrogen is placed along with alkali metals in the modern periodic table, though it shows non-metallic character. Again, 4 options are there. Correct answer, hydrogen can easily lose 1 electron like alkali metal to form positive ion. Now 18, third, which of the following has highest electronegativity? So fluorine. Identify the reason for gradual change in the electronegativity of halogens down the group. Electronegativity decreases down the group due to increase in their atomic radius. Or tendency to gain electrons decreases. Okay, so that is the C. C is the correct option. Now 18th, which of the following reason correctly justifies that fluorine has a smaller atomic radius than lithium? So fluorine and lithium are in the same period, and across the period atomic size decreases from left to right. This is a periodic trend. So according to this periodic trend, correct answer is D. Now in question number 19, tabular based question, one table is given here. Wire, length, diameter, material, and resistance. So it is a question of physics. Which of the wires has a maximum resistance? So C is the correct answer. Which of the following has a minimum resistance? Fluorine. Arrange R1, R3, and R5 in ascending order of their values. So A is the correct option. R3 is greater than, R5 is greater than R1. 19.4, a wire A of resistance R1 is melted and recast to half of its length, then the new resistance of the wire will be R by 4. We will use here R is equal to rho L by A, that relation, and using that relation we can calculate the new resistance. Now 2 wires of same metal have the same length, but their cross sectional area is in the ratio 3:1. They are joined in series. The resistance of the thicker wire is 10 ohm. The total resistance of the combination will be 40 ohm. So series, here we will use the series combination only, right? Next, again tabular based question. Read the table and answer any 4 sub questions here. Material medium, air, ice, water, alcohol, refractive index, material medium, and refractive index. Again, the question is of physics. Name the medium having highest optical density. So optical density is directly proportional to the refractive index. So जिसका refractive index high, उसकी optical density भी high. So the diamond. Find a medium with the lowest optical density, air. You are given a kerosene, turpentine, water, and light travels fastest, so water. In which of the medium mentioned in the table does light travel slowest? So diamond. Now in section B, question number 21. Why does 1 mole HCl solution have higher concentration of H plus ions than 1 mole of CH3, acetic acid? So HCl and acetic acid, if we compare, then HCl is the strong acid and acetic acid is a weak acid, and HCl being a strong acid dissociate completely into H plus ions and Cl minus ions. So more H plus ions are produced by HCl, and that's why it has a higher concentration of H plus ions. So write any two properties of ionic compound. Many properties are there. You have to mention any two. Each property carry 1 mark. So 2 properties are required here. Now state the property and reason utilized in the following. Graphite in making electrons and metal alloys are used in making bells, strings of musical instruments. So if we see the graphite, then graphite is an allotrope of carbon, which is a good conductor of electricity. Actually, that is an exception in non-metal. And due to this, it is used in making electrodes. Metals and metal alloys are generally sonorous in nature. We know sonority property of metal, and that's why they produce sound. And due to this property, they are used in making bells. Now in question number 23, न्यूमेरिकल ऑफ लाइट. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने यहाँ पे गलती की है मिरर और लेंस में, बट इन क्वेश्चन इट इज क्लियरली मेंशन दैट दिस इज अ कॉन्केव लेंस, so you have to use the lens formula only to calculate the values. Okay, so marks यहाँ पे गए हैं कि हमने लेंस दिया है बट मिरर फॉर्मूला यूज किया है, so you have to pay attention in the question, you have to read question properly, right? So, and yes, object distance should be negative. So sign conventions are very, very important while solving light numericals. And if the lens is concave lens, the focal length is also negative. So because of this minus sign, your answer is wrong, and that's why the marks are deducted. Okay, so lens formula, and it is clearly mentioned in question number 1 that use the lens formula, but still some students have used mirror formula. So just correct your mistake. Okay, and characteristics of image, we can comment on characteristics of image depending on the image distance. Okay, now in question 4, it is from magnetic effect of electric current. So the one diagram is given, west east, and north and south. So according to right hand thumb rule, here only we have to use the right hand thumb rule. When a conductor is held in right hand, keeping the thumb from east to west as shown in the figure, the curve of the finger will be from north to south at a point lying below the wire. So this is important, north and south and below the wire. This is very important. Ecosystem, very easy question. You have to just define ecosystem. Definition carry 1 mark and block diagram carry 1 mark. How can pregnancy be prevented surgically? So you have to mention here surgical methods only. Many students have mentioned other methods also, but marks will be given for surgical methods only. Okay. Now in question number 27, trace the path of sperm during ejaculation and mention the glands associated with the male reproductive system and their functions. Many students have written the path of sperm during fertilization. Okay, but here we have to trace the path of sperm during ejaculation and mention the glands, means in male body only. Okay, and for that only the marks will be given, and the male reproduction and their functions also. Okay, so you have to mention the glands and their functions. Okay, it will carry marks. Now question number 28, why and how does the water enter continuously into the root xylem? So here you have to explain the transport of water. Here you have to explain the transport of water, and yes, transpiration process also you have to explain. Answer should be in detail. Second question, describe the flow of blood through heart of human beings. So you have to explain the flow of blood only. Many students have explained the structure of heart, and that is not required. So marks will be given for flow of blood only. Now question number 29, draw a circuit diagram. A common mistake while drawing circuit diagram is that students have not mentioned the polarity of battery or the cell. पॉजिटिव कौन सा नेगेटिव कौन सा वो मेंशन नहीं है. डायरेक्शन इज नॉट मेंशनड इन इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. The polarity of ammeter is not mentioned. Polarity of voltmeter is not mentioned. Many students have not connected the voltmeter across this parallel combination. Many students have written applied these resistors incorrectly. Parallel ka series and series ka parallel. So these are the common mistakes. Okay, so just fix these mistakes. And here the question is, will the potential difference across 2 ohm resistor will be same? So yes. Why? Why? Because if we calculate a parallel combination here, that will be 2 ohm, and here it is also 2 ohm. So resistance value is same, current is same in series combination, so the potential drop will also same. Okay, so potential difference across 2 ohm resistor is same as that across combination of 2 resistors. Okay. Now in question number 30, here you have to mention 3 points, each for one figure. This is a glass slab, this is a glass prism, and this is a double prism. Okay, so refraction, dispersion, and again the emergent light as a white light. These points are required in your explanation. Here lateral displacement point is required. Here the vigor or the splitting of light, that point is required. And here the light will be emerges as a white light. Okay, will be required. So these are the keywords for this question. Question number 31. Give an account of the process adopted by Mendeleev for the classification of elements. How did he arrive at a periodic law? तो यहाँ पे आपको मेंडेलीव के मेरिट्स डीमेरिट्स एक्सप्लेन नहीं करने हैं. मेंडेलीव पीरियोडिक टेबल का बेस क्या, मेंडेलीव ने कौन सी स्ट्रेटेजीज अप्लाई की, कैसे कैटेगराइज किया, दैट एक्सप्लेनेशन यू हैव टू गिव. And then at last you have to explain the Mendeleev's periodic law, not a modern periodic law. Many students have explained a modern periodic. And question number 32, state the reason why carbon can neither form C4 plus cations or C4 minus anions but forms covalent compound. So here donation of electrons, acceptance of electrons, this should be explained properly with the nuclear force of attraction between protons. Point so these are these points right here. Now in question number 33, write a balanced chemical equation. Correct molecular formula, or especially this HI and this I. So it should be I2 and this should be HI. Students have written H2I or HI2, and here only I is written. This is a halide, this is a halogen. It is obtained in combined form only, so it should be I2. CH4, that is a methane, here H should be capital. Here is a printing mistake, H4. Okay, H should be capital, H for hydrogen. O2, CO2 and twice H2. And a type of reaction also you have to mention. And twice Al2O3, again molecular formula of aluminum oxide is incorrectly written there. Now in section D, give reason for your choice. Person first cross. This is from Heredity and Evolution, Mendel's experiment. So pure breed pea plants having round yellow seeds with a pure breed pea plant having wrinkled green seeds, and found that only AB type of seeds were produced in F1 generation. When F1 generation pea plant having AB type of seeds were self-pollinated, then addition to, means here we have to consider both F1 generation and F2 generation, and accordingly some questions are asked. So here the solution is written very shortly, but here you have to explain F1 generation and F2 generation. And if you write F1 generation and F2 generation, then it will be very helpful to you also to answer these questions. Okay, so AB type of seeds. So here is the answer. AB type of seeds are round in shape and yellow in color, and dominant character. So in F1 generation, we will get a dominant character. A round, B yellow. Round and green, that is AD, and wrinkled and yellow, that is CB. Here it should be B, not D. Printing mistake. AD in a common number and AB in a maximum number. So that is the answer. And question was very easy. Now in question number 35, how will you infer with the help of an experiment that the same current flows through the every part of the circuit containing 3 resistances in series connected to a battery. Now see, here you have to explain one experiment, and for experiment, experimental setup is necessary. Many students have written theory, but marks have given for only experiment. ठीक है, experiment explain करना ही है बेटा. So diagram is necessary, connection between resistors, ammeter, voltmeter, battery, all is important because here we have to comment on the current. So ammeter should be connected. Ammeter is used to measure the current, right? So that is very important, and the answer should be in the activity form only. Now optional question was state Fleming's left hand rule. So that is a theoretical one. Principle of working of an electric motor. See, many students have written that electric motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, or some students have written that principle of electric motor works on the principle of magnetic effect, magnetism, like this. So these are incorrect answer. Here you have to write the principle of working, not a property. And the principle of working is that, see, it based on the principle that when a rectangular coil is placed in a magnetic field, the current is passed through it, and two equal and opposite forces acts on the coil which rotates it continuously. And this is nothing but a principle. And below armature, brushes and split ring, you have to write one function of each. Last question, question number 36. What is meant by the group in periodic table? How do the following changes occur on moving from top to bottom in a group? So the number of valence electrons, occupied shells, size of atoms, metallic character, and effective nuclear charge. So you have to comment on these parameters, on these periodic trends for a particular group when you go from top to bottom. So the valence electrons remains same. Okay, valence electrons remain same. Number of occupied shells increases, size of atoms increases, metallic character increases, but the effective nuclear charge decreases on going down the group. These are the answers. One optional question was for this question, that why are certain compounds are called hydrocarbons? Write the general formula for homologous series of alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes, and draw the electron dot formula for first member of each. See here, you have to write the electron dot formula only, not the structure of each hydrocarbon. Many students have written structure of hydrocarbon, but the necessary, what is the required, what is the expected answer, that you have to draw electron dot structure only, right? Another important thing that you have to define hydrocarbon first. You have to write down general formula, but अभी इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर, इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट फॉर्मूला निकालते समय आपको फर्स्ट मेंबर ही कंसिडर करना है, बिकॉज इट इज क्लियरली मेंशन्ड इन द क्वेश्चन that you have to draw electron dot formula for first member each. Okay, so the answers have given for first member each only. Okay, so that is the common mistake in this question. Otherwise the question was very easy, and here is the solution. You can refer that alkane CnH2n plus 2, then methane is the first member. Okay, this is the electronic structure, and this is the structural formula. Two examples are given here. Alkenes, electronic structure, structural formula. Alkynes, electronic structure and structural formula. Okay, electronic structure means electron dot formula. So this is the end of this model answer. I hope model answers are clear to all of you. Just correct your all the mistakes, and keep in mind that you have to write science paper quite practically and in detail. Means if the question is for 1 mark, so I will write one word only, or I will write one sentence. So that is not accepted, beta, because this is a science. You have to elaborate your answer. Science paper should be very much descriptive and in explanatory form. Okay, so just refer these model answers and correct your mistakes. I hope no doubt will be there after this model answer. So do study, and all the best for your next series. All the best, students. Bye bye.